Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving deep into the world of Magisk modules to do something really cool. We're going to install the official Dolby Atmos audio processing from the OnePlus 9 Pro onto a rooted Android device. This mod can seriously upgrade your audio experience, giving you richer sound profiles for music, movies, and gaming. But this is an advanced modification, so it's crucial that you follow every step carefully. For ROMs that are read-only, like on some stock firmware, it's highly recommended to use a specific fork of Magisk, like Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask. If you're not on a OnePlus-based ROM, like Oxygen OS or Color OS, you'll need one extra module called the OnePlus Core module. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Warning: there is a real possibility of a boot loop, a softbrick, or service failures if you are on a read-only ROM and you don't use the recommended Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask. Please understand the risks before you proceed. You are modifying your system at a low level. Proceed with caution. Open your Magisk app, go to the Modules tab, tap Install from Storage, and select the OnePlus Core Module zip file you downloaded. Once it's done flashing, do not reboot yet. We'll install the main module next. Now for the main event. Back in the Magisk Module section, tap Install from Storage again. This time select the Dolby Atmos OnePlus 9 Pro module zip file. Let it flash. This contains all the necessary files and apps for the Dolby Atmos experience. This next step is only if you use any other audio modification module. For example, if you have Viper for Android or a different audio compatibility patch installed. If you do, you need to flash the audio modification library, Magisk Module. A quick note for my Kernel SU users. You need to go into the Kernel SU app settings and make sure that the option Unmount Modules by default is disabled. If this is enabled, the module won't work after a reboot. Okay, we've flashed everything we need. Now for the final step. Go ahead and hit that reboot button in Magisk. After your phone reboots, you should find a new Dolby Atmos app in your app drawer. Open it up and you'll have access to all the sound profiles and equalizer settings. You can now enjoy that signature OnePlus audio quality. And that's all there is to it. It's a bit of a process, but totally worth it for the audio boost. Remember, all the necessary links and information are down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.